Okay, everybody, back in the garage for the latest with Carmela here, and this week's project has primarily been the fuel system. So for my non-gearhead buddies out there, this is a fuel cell, and it's 15 gallon. And the reason I have to go with this and not put fuel in the normal way is because I got these huge wheel tubs. So that eliminates an original equipment fuel tank. So I have to go with this. I have to open the trunk, pull this thing here out, and that's how I put my gas in here. The challenge becomes getting the fuel from here all the way up to the front to the engine. So we start down here at the bottom. We have two fuel outlets. I don't use this one. This one is actually plumbed. So we go here. This is a 90-degree -10, and it goes through the floor. Also up here, this is the return line where it comes from the front, but I will address this whole hookup later. I got to put a 90-degree on the end. So fuel comes through here, goes to the bottom, and right there is a fuel pump. And there's a filter on each end. That's the fuel pump in the middle. So the fuel routes through there, comes through this side of the car, the passenger side, and then routes all the way up to the front from underneath. So without trying to get back under the car again, I will post some pictures to add with this video. So just to keep this nice and short, come up to the front here. Fuel lines come along the side of the car through the wheel well. They come into the engine bay right here, through the motor plate, which is this little thing here, to the fuel regulator. So this is the supply line. Fuel comes in here, it gets pushed all the way up here, and then it gets divided between these two lines, here and here. So this particular side goes all the way up and feeds number 2 carburetor. This fuel line goes up and feeds this carburetor. So she's gonna be thirsty, she's gonna have a whole lot of gas to eat, and that should ultimately get that done. So that, in short, is the whole fuel system installation. So I'm trying to get to a point where I'm working on electrical, hopefully by the end of this month, and that is the latest update. See you guys on the next one. Thanks.